big bags and I cannot lie. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title of the video, we are doing another unboxing and I will share with you, it's in front of me, a mini haul, and I purchased something on Amazon. And before we will do the unboxing, I will share with you some of the perfume that I have received recently. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I am going to share with you the mini haul before I will share the unboxing for the Michael Kors tote bag. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you is this strap right here. I got it from Amazon, and you probably already know that this is the popular item from Louis Vuitton. If I can insert the video, I will put it on the screen. So this is the strap that I got for the from Amazon, and it's very similar to the Louis Vuitton multi crossbody bag. I think that's what it's called. And the reason why I wanted this strap right here, because of my 𝐬𝐻𝐻. I haven't really used it because of the strap. It's kind of long if I want it crossbody bag, and I thought this one is perfect to use for this 𝐬𝐻𝐻. Adjust depending on how long you want it to be. That's from the Amazon, and I am excited because I have other small bags that I want to use it with. So we're done with this. Let's move on. I'm kind of like excited. As you can see, I'm talking too long about this this strap, so I am excited for that. This is the perfume. I actually got this one from 𝐵𝐿𝐾 for free. I did not spend any money. I don't know if there was a glitch on their website. They marked this down. I think original price was $71.99, and they marked it down for $9.99. That's crazy, and that was the only one. I don't know if they are discontinuing this brand. This is from, I don't know if I said that right, Givenchy. It's a very irresistible perfume from Givenchy, and I kid you not, I got this for free because 𝐵𝐿𝐾 also gave me a $10 𝐵𝐿𝐾 box. I spent it on this and I got it for free, so I didn't pay anything for this, and I can add it on my perfume collection. My perfume is actually growing. Maybe one of these days I will share that with you. And my husband got me this one for Christmas, and enjoy receiving gifts as perfume, and my husband know that, and he always buy me perfume on anniversary or birthdays. And what I love is this is like a Christian Louboutin shoes. That's what reminds me of, and high heels. To be honest with you, I don't know how to walk on high heels, and just looking at this, I guess that fulfilled my dream of, oh, I have a high heel. So because I will never wear or buy any high heels like this. Like, you see how long that heels, and if you look the red bottom, that looks like a red bottom to me. Red bottom, they have those high heels that is this long, and the smell of this is amazing. I really like it. But my sister-in-law gave me another perfume, which is the other style. Is similar brand, similar look, but I will insert a picture what it looks like. She gave me that one as well for Christmas. I have it downstairs. I did use that one. That's why I wasn't too eager to open this one, because I wanted to use what she gave me first than my husband, because my husband also gave me another perfume for Christmas, which is, before Christmas, which is this perfume right there. So I've been using that for now, and then maybe later on I will use this. And then the next one that my husband gave me is this Valentino. I'm not too good of pronouncing the brand, so please forgive me. Don't judge me if I don't pronounce it right. I enjoyed reading comments, but only if it's a good comment. Anyway, the next one is this Valentino, and it has that pink I love. I actually I got this one at Ulta and this one as well, and I never put this one on my wish list because I never tried it on to try to smell it in person. But when I was shopping there, Ulta, I saw this and I tried it on. It's amazing. It's actually super cool because, you know, my favorite color is pink. And it has a leather over here where they put the logo. And I like that it has that spike black here. It's so good. It really smells good. I can't wait to use it. And then the next one is this YSL perfume. This one has been on my wish list for so long. I saw this one on Dua Lipa. Is that how you call her name? Dua Lipa on TikTok. And every time I scroll on TikTok, I keep seeing her advertise on TikTok about this perfume. The reason why I got a 1 ounce, I think this is 1 ounce. Yeah, 1 ounce on both of them. I choose a small bottle for this because I want it to be more of easier to carry around on inside my purse, and it's not too big to carry on travel because this is, I'm thinking I will probably use this too as I travel. Meanwhile, this one right here, I'll probably spray it on, leave it at home. Probably not gonna carry, especially this one with the heels in the back. I'm not gonna carry that around, but this too would be perfect to carry inside the purse, especially this one. It's quite small and thin. This one heavier than this bottle. So that's it on that mini haul, or more like a gift haul. But anyway, I'm going to stand up and show you the unboxing of the new Michael Kors tote bag to add to my collection. And let's go to the next one. So I have this huge box. Looks can be deceiving. It's not that big. I don't know why they use this box. The size of this bag is like king size pillow. That's what it, and that's how light it is. So if you see the thumbnails, it's already a tote bag. I haven't opened this bag because I'm not eager to use it yet, because in the United States it's actually winter at the moment, and I bought this one like somewhere around fall time, so it's really been sitting on the closet in this room. But that's why I haven't opened it, because it's just, you know, it's a spring tote bag. So I'm not in a hurry to open it or use it. But in a few months, spring is coming up, so I thought it's time to open. And I got this bag in such a great deal, because since it is a Michael Kors end of season, they really do drop their price like crazy. This, I'm not sure what percent, but I got it in such a good deal. It's been a while. I paid for this like less than $100, and we'll see what the original price cost, because I already forgot. And this is the bag. I will show you the close-up. It is a gorgeous bag. As mentioned, I love tote bag. For you what it looks like and what fits in this. I actually plan to use this one as my book bag or school bag. Let's take the rest of the paper out. I'll show you in, oh awesome, it comes in the dust bag. Usually when I get items like Michael Kors, Kate Spade or Coach, you don't come with dust bag if the price is too low. I don't know why, but this one comes with a dust bag. Okay, the price of this is $258, and I'm pretty sure I bought this probably 80% off. So This is such a good bag. This is a good buy. And it's a huge tote bag, so I thought it would be perfect for school or for work bag. Amazing. I will show you later on what it can fit or what it looks like on a petite person. So, and I will show you the close-up of the bag. And I am 5'2", height reference. So the bottom, it hits right on my hips. And I love tote bag. I love big bags. I love big bags and I cannot lie. But anyway, this is what it looks like as a petite. I'm 5'2", so it hits right, maybe a little below my hip. It's not too bad. All right, I'll show you the inside of the bag. This is what it looks like. The pattern or the design. It has that flower. It's kind of like a red print with a neon green with all 𝐓𝐑𝐀𝐈𝐄 logo. The color is similar to like the azure print. And then on the strap, it looks more a blush pink, as well as over here, it is like a blush pink. And then there is no zipper. It's just a big opening, which is amazing if you use it every day, school or work, or even travel or mommy bag. So this will be perfect. It has that snap closure. And then you have the zipper at the back. You have the pocket in the back with the zipper to pack it on the front. And then let's switch it to the side. And then you have a bunch of small packets, no zipper, so 6. The middle one, you can probably fit a lipstick. And then you have that, let's see, more like a nylon interior, the lining inside. You have your tag there, and that is a really good buy. So let's see what fits. So guys, I fill it up and see what it is if I use it as a book bag. So far, it is comfy on the shoulder of how heavy the stuff inside. It is actually very comfy, and I must say though that the quality of the canvas is amazing. But anyway, let's see what I decided to put in here. It's quite spacious still. You have plenty of room to the top. I didn't fill anything on the pocket. Usually I put like a wallet, car key on the pocket, the side pocket, but you can actually do that. There's plenty of room, as well as since it's winter here in America, it's freezing. That's why I'm wearing this. It's been freezing lately. I think the past 2-3 weeks it's really cold. So if you have a scarf or a hat on or a gloves, you have plenty of room to put it on top. So this is what I normally have on my what I need for school or everyday bag, because when I go to school, that's my everyday bag. So I have the binders, and it can totally fit. This is just a regular college book binder or notes binder. And I put a planner. I use this one, and I have another planner which is on this bag, so I thought this one matched with the bag. And then if you want to carry a water, which is a must-have if you go to school, you have it, you need it, because you have to walk far from the parking to your classroom, and by the time you get to your seat, you're gonna get out of breath, at least for me. So you needed a glass of water or any water, a bottle. The next thing that can fit on this is your wallet. This one is actually the biggest wallet of Michael Kors I ever owned, and it has plenty. It's empty, but it can fit a lot of cards, and it's gigantic. So this is more like a show of what it can fit, to give you an idea. If this bag is still available online or at 𝐵𝐿𝐾, I don't think it's available on the Michael Kors website, but if it's still available at 𝐵𝐿𝐾 or any other website, I will put the link below so you guys can snag it if you want it. And then if you want any catch-all pouch, I kind of just put this one for the sake of this video, because since it's so big, I wanted to show you that it can fit a big catch-all or a travel pouch that you can put anything, makeup, sanitizer, what have you, whatever you need on your daily basis or even for travel, you can absolutely use this bag. So it can fit with no problem. I'll show you. So it kind of take out probably almost half of the bag. It can fit a lot. So I haven't actually used it. Might as well use it for this video. And that's it. Again, you can play with it. I am very impressed with the quality. Is amazing. So it looks that closed up. It has a gold hardware. Oh, I forgot to check. There's no fit on the bottom, and you have a leather what is it, aging on the bottom, but I wish it has a fit, but unfortunately it doesn't. And the good thing of this bag, it can sit by itself. If you put it on the floor, it doesn't fill over if you put it on the floor if it's filled up. So I am excited. I love the bag. I'm not gonna lie, I love the quality. I can't stop talking about how good the canvas feel, and the leather is, it's amazing. It's totally amazing. And the leather of the trimming here, the quality is so good. I feel like it's a steal deal because I got it in such a crazy price. And by the way, the inside has leather as well. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far. Might as well subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you enjoyed this type of video, any handbags, travel, or lifestyle, personal vlogs, I highly appreciate it. Any support you're giving me, from subscribing, liking, leaving comment down on any of my video, commenting on my video is highly appreciated. And maybe the next one will be what's inside and a bag review about this bag. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Bye.